Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rene Gutierrez, Superintendent of the McAllen Independent School District, and today we are visiting the Facilities, Maintenance and Operations Department. I'm here with our Executive Director for Facilities, Maintenance and Operations, Mr. Ruben Trevino. Mr. Trevino, can you tell me about your department and just give us an overview of what this department is doing for McAllen ISD and for all the kids and the staff?
Thank you, Dr. Gutierrez. Our Facilities Maintenance and Operations Department here at McAllen ISD consists of approximately 268 employees. We oversee everything from the cleanliness of our buildings with our custodial staff. We also oversee our warehouse, disposals, deliveries on a daily basis, and setups as well that are requested by the different campuses. And we also oversee all of the maintenance that's being done on all of our facilities district-wide. Our goal and our mission here at Facilities, Maintenance and Operations is to be able to provide clean, safe, conducive environments for our students to be able to learn on a daily basis. Currently right now, as you can see, they're sanding some moldings for some shelving for some of our campuses that request the shelving, and also some cabinet work that goes into some office spaces.
You get requests or work orders from all over the district?
Through our work order system, we get work orders from all of our different campuses and departments as well. And when we categorize them, and then we take a look at them and we categorize them and go by priority. This is our loading dock area. This is once our cabinets are manufactured inside our facility, or any materials or any raw materials that come in to be processed. This is where the delivery and the loading takes place. As you can see, one of our FM&O vehicles is ready to get loaded here, and this is from here we take off to our campuses.
Okay, so all your maintenance vehicles come through here to
load and unload.
Load and unload supplies, materials, and
yes.
and then go to the job sites from
Correct.
here.
Yes.
Okay. This area is mainly to repair it and they fix it up here?
Correct, Dr. Gutierrez. This shop here is our general maintenance shop, where we have anywhere from our grinders to our welders, to our acetylene oxygen cutting, and our gentlemen here in the general maintenance department perform tasks anywhere from pouring concrete to repairing any custodial carts or any carts that are used for a warehouse for deliveries, and we also repair some of our trucks and trailers as well.
This must be your warehouse where you keep all the inventory and all the supplies as they come in?
That is correct, sir. Here we house anything from our pallets of paper to distribute to our campuses district-wide. As you can see, to some monitors here that are probably going to one of our campuses, along with all the other supplies that the district requires and needs.
We've seen a lot already, but are there any major projects that your department is working out there in our district?
Yes, sir. Currently, our Facilities Maintenance and Operations Department here in the district also oversees our major construction projects, and those are done through our architects and our engineers that we currently have working for the district. One of our biggest projects right now is our UTRGV McAllen ISD Collegiate Academy. It's a 65,000 square foot building, 2 stories. The budget, the contract amount on that is $23.4 million. We also currently have our press box at our McAllen Veterans Memorial Stadium, which is nearly complete as well.
It's very important that we have quality facilities, very important that we have our classrooms with air conditioner, our restrooms, that they're working, our schools are clean, and that we continue to improve in our facilities. And Mr. Trevino and his department are making sure that we have quality buildings, quality schools, and quality departments and facilities throughout McAllen ISD for the benefit of our kids and our staff.